Dear viewers, in this video, I am going to show you how to participate online Ganga quiz, and I hope this video will help to you for participating Ganga quiz in online mode. Using mobile or computer, you can participate in Ganga quiz. So now I am starting the video step by step. Keep watching the video very carefully till the end. Now I am going to start. When you open your mobile or computer, which should be net connected, and you have to open any browser like Google Chrome, UC browser, or any other browser you can use. I am choosing here Google Chrome. When you open this, you have to put google.com in this box, and the screen will appear. In the search box, you have to type Ganga Quest. And search. Within a minute or moment, in your screen, this page will appear. Now, from here, you have to choose Ganga Quest here and wait for a while. Then another screen will appear. Here, some rules and regulation, quiz overview, or some related information given here in this page. So you can read these things from here. Then you come to the topmost corner, right corner, and see three yellow color line. Click in that tree line. Then another screen will appear. In this screen, many things is there. Home, Ganga quiz, or many things is here. You can read these things. From here, you have to choose login. Click in login. Then another page appeared. Little bit scroll up. Here you see how would you like to log in. Page is appeared and asking two options, which one you have to choose. One is individual, another is school. So already school have registered your name. You have already registration number and password with you. So you choose from here individual. When you click individual, this screen is appear. In this screen, registration number and password is asking. So in registration number box, you have to put your registration number, which is already with you, and password also with you. So you put here your own registration number. Do not put here another other registration number. Okay, I am putting one registration number, and password also I fill already. Then you click login. Then this profile page is appeared. In this page, see, this field is already filled up. This field is class field is also filled up. Then another number is filled up, means this registration number, means school registration number, this one. Then name is appeared already. Last name is appeared. Mother's name is appear, and email address also appear because you are registered by school. So this school email is appeared. You have to do only these things I am showing. First, you sense category. In category box, if you are studying in class 8 or class 7 or class 6, then you have to select class 8 and below. If you are studying in class 9 or 10, then you have to choose second one. Or if you are studying in 11, 12, you have to choose third one. And another option is there, class 4 or other. So I am choosing here class 8 because this student is studying in class 7. So I am choosing class 8 and below. Then identity card. Here you click and change it school ID card. Then no need to send school ID card number, name, last name. Put your date of birth here as day, month, year format. Enter your mobile number or your parent mobile number. Then you change the gender, male or female. Write your address like village or town name, city, state, pin code, and country. Fill this all box. Then check it again. If everything is correct, you can proceed. One more thing is here, this add photo. If you want to add your photo, then you can click add photo and take a snap by mobile camera or any other device. You can put here your photographs. Then submit it. Submit profile. Click here. After that, you have to click again this right topmost corner 3 line. This screen will appear. Here dashboard, profile, sense password, rules, sample quiz, let's play Ganga quiz, certificate of participation, feedback, result, start, and logout option is here. So from here you can read the rules and regulation of the quiz. Rules, click here and read the content. What are the rules? set for participating quiz. You can read from here. Again you come the top most corner 3 line. Then sample quiz you can see from here. The question pattern will be like this, multiple choice. 4 options will be there, A, B, C, D. You have to choose the correct answer. So these are the sample question given for you. You can read these things. Again you come to the topmost corner, 3 line, click again. Then let's play Ganga quiz. After you prepared, you play the quiz. When you click let's play Ganga quiz 2020, quiz will automatically start. This quiz is time bound, means time set is here. If you start the quiz, you have to answer the question. Read the question and option, which option is correct. When time will finish, the quiz will automatically lock. So before starting, you just prepare well and participate. After that, you can download certificate of participation from here, and result also you can see from here, how much score you scored. Then you log out the page. Log out. So this is the procedure to participate of Ganga quiz in online mode. Dear viewers, hope now you understand about Ganga quiz participation process in online mode. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. For next video, like and share, comment jorur karna. Keep watching, stay happy. Thank you very much.